In today's video, we're comparing two of the most popular automation platforms on the market, PhantomBuster and Apify. Whether you're a solo founder, digital marketer, or building internal automations to support your business, choosing the right platform can save you hours of work and thousands of dollars over time. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley Roberts, and if you're trying to decide which of these platforms is best for your use case, from lead generation to data scraping to workflow automation, this comparison is going to give you a clear answer. Let's get into it. So first off, what are PhantomBuster and Apify? At a high level, both PhantomBuster and Apify are platforms that allow you to automate actions and extract data from websites, commonly referred to as web scraping or browser automation. PhantomBuster focuses on no-code automations, offering pre-built tools called phantoms that automate tasks on platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, Google Maps, Facebook, and more. It's known for being beginner-friendly and designed specifically for growth-related use cases like outreach, data extraction, and social monitoring. Apify, on the other hand, is a more developer-focused platform that gives users the ability to build, run, and schedule custom web scraping scripts. It supports more complex and scalable projects and is ideal if you're scraping websites that don't have public APIs or need high volume, fully customizable workflows. While both tools help automate repetitive tasks online, the way they approach it and who they're built for is very different. Now let's take a closer look at the core features of both platforms, starting with PhantomBuster. PhantomBuster is built around pre-configured automations called phantoms. These are task-specific bots like LinkedIn search export or Instagram follower collector, and they can be set up without writing any code. Each phantom comes with a guided setup, including simple fields for URLs, session cookies, or inputs. Users can also chain multiple phantoms together to build basic workflows, like scraping a LinkedIn search and then sending that list to an enrichment tool. While these workflows aren't deeply customizable, they do cover a wide range of use cases, especially for sales, marketing, or brand growth. Now, Apify is built for more technical users. The platform is centered around actors, which are basically custom scripts or bots that run headless browsers and extract data from any website. Apify supports larger scale operations. You can run hundreds or thousands of scraping tasks simultaneously, integrate directly with your own backend or data warehouse, and build workflows that are tailored to your exact use case. They also offer an actor store where you can find pre-built scrapers for common sites like Amazon, Yelp, Indeed, or Zillow. But unlike PhantomBuster, many actors require tweaking or a basic understanding of how scraping works under the hood. You can schedule runs, pass in dynamic input data, and export results in CSV or directly into your pipeline. If you want full control, especially over large-scale custom data extraction, Apify is definitely built for that. Now, let's go over a few common scenarios and see which tool is better suited for each one. Starting off with lead generation from LinkedIn or Google Maps. PhantomBuster is the clear winner here. Their platform offers plug-and-play phantoms designed specifically for extracting leads from LinkedIn, Google Maps, and even Sales Navigator. You can set these to run daily and export directly to Google Sheets. Apify has actors that can scrape LinkedIn as well, but the process is more complex and often requires rotating proxies or more advanced logic. It's definitely not ideal for beginners. Next is custom website scraping. If you need to scrape a website that doesn't have a public API or a pre-built tool, for example, a niche directory or a dynamic content site, Apify gives you far more flexibility. You can build actors that handle scrolling and hidden content, which PhantomBuster can't reliably do. Apify also supports Puppeteer and Playwright under the hood, meaning you can handle complex interactions like filling out forms or bypassing login flows. Next is social media monitoring. So PhantomBuster supports Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and even TikTok to some extent. If you're running social campaigns or need to gather engagement data, it's definitely the faster choice. Apify has actors that can scrape social media platforms as well, but most of them require more configuration and API access tokens, which makes setup slower for non-technical users. Next is scalability and API integrations. Apify is definitely the better choice if you're building a high-volume backend system that needs to run at scale. It's designed to integrate with enterprise workflows, can manage custom queuing, and even offers serverless infrastructure with long execution times. PhantomBuster can scale, but only within the limits of their pricing tiers, and it's not designed for large-scale scraping jobs with thousands of pages or complex logic. Next, let's talk about ease of use. So PhantomBuster is designed for non-developers. Most phantoms can be set up in under 10 minutes, and the platform walks you through the steps clearly. If your use case matches what their templates offer, it's incredibly fast to get started. Apify is more flexible, but has a steeper learning curve. If you're comfortable writing code or managing cloud infrastructure, it's a powerful tool. But if you're not, you may find it overwhelming or unnecessarily complex for basic basic automations. Next is customer support and community. PhantomBuster offers support primarily through help docs, email, and community forum. Their documentation is solid, and for most users, it's enough to get set up without much help. Apify, on the other hand, has a very active developer community, GitHub repositories for many actors, and strong documentation, but it's definitely more technical. So if you're used to reading open source code bases and customizing scripts, you'll feel right at home. Let's break down the overall strengths and limitations of each platform so you can decide which one best fits your needs. Starting off with PhantomBuster. One of the biggest advantages of PhantomBuster is how easy it is to use. It's built for non-technical users, and most automations can be set up in under 10 minutes with no coding required. This makes it a great option for founders, marketers, or anyone who wants to automate repetitive tasks like lead generation or social media tracking without building custom scripts. PhantomBuster also offers a wide range of pre-built templates called Phantoms, which means you don't have to start from scratch. So whether you're scraping LinkedIn search results, exporting Google Map listings, or monitoring Instagram followers, there's likely a Phantom for that use case already built and ready to go. The ability to schedule automations and export directly to tools like Google Sheets adds to its convenience. It's especially helpful for people building lightweight, repeatable systems who want to track progress or pass data to other platforms. However, PhantomBuster does come with limitations, and the biggest one is that you're restricted to what the existing Phantoms can do. If you have a use case that doesn't fit within one of your templates, you won't have much room to customize beyond chaining a few Phantoms together. It's also important to know that PhantomBuster can be sensitive to platform changes. If LinkedIn or Instagram updates their layout or structure, certain Phantoms may stop working temporarily until PhantomBuster pushes an update. Lastly, while it works well for small to mid-sized projects, it's not designed for large-scale data extractions or high-volume scraping. If you're trying to process thousands of pages per day or build back-end data pipelines, PhantomBuster may not be the best tool for that scale. Now let's go into Apify. Apify's biggest strengths is its flexibility. It's built for developers and technical users who want full control over what gets scraped, how it's processed, and where that data goes. If you're working with websites that require advanced navigation, deal with dynamic content, or need to scale across multiple regions or segments, Apify gives you the tools to build that from the ground up. Because Apify supports custom scripts and lets you write your own actors using JavaScript or Python, you're not limited by templates. You can scrape any site, handle edge cases, and run logic that wouldn't be possible in a no-code platform. This makes it a really strong choice for businesses building internal tools, large-scale analytics, or integrations with databases and CRMs. It's also built for scale, so you can run thousands of scraping jobs in parallel, integrate with Cloud Function, and push data to any service that accepts API inputs or webhooks. That said, the downside of Apify is the learning curve. If you're not comfortable writing code or configuring a scraper manual, the setup process can be overwhelming. Even when using pre-built actors from Apify's marketplace, you'll often need to tweak input settings or troubleshoot issues with proxy rotation, login flows, or pagination. Apify is also overpowered for small or simple jobs. If all you need is to export 100 local business listings from Google Maps, there's no need to build a custom actor, and PhantomBuster would likely save you time. Now let's dive into the plans and pricing options for each. We're going to start off with PhantomBuster, so if you want to make sure you're getting the best price possible, use our exclusive link down in the description below. So as you can see, if you click the link, you can actually get started with a free trial, and you don't even need to put credit card in. It's a 14-day free trial, so you really have time to check it out, see if it's a right fit for you. But just so you're aware of the other plans, you'll click upgrade. So you can pay annually or monthly. I'm going to go over the annual billing because that's how you can get the best price possible and save 20%. So like I said, they do have a trial, and this is 14 days free, and you get 2 hours of execution time, 1,000 AI credits, 5 slots for Phantoms, and limited exports. You also get bonus 50 email credits. Next is the starter plan, and this is $56 per month billed annually. With this, you get 20 hours a month of execution time, 10,000 AI credits, 5 slots for Phantoms, and then you get unlimited exports, community access and priority support, and a bonus 500 email credits a month. For the next two, I'm not going to go over each individual. You can check it out and use our link down below, but I just wanted to make you aware that the pro plan is $128 per month billed annually, and the team is $352 per month billed annually. Again, with each, the pro and then the team, you just get more execution time, more AI credits, more Phantoms, and more bonus credits, etc. And then the unlimited exports and everything else is the same. But again, go ahead and try the free trial, see if it's a good fit for you, and then go from there. Now for Apify. So they also have a free plan, and this is $5 to spend in the Apify store on your own actors, 40 cents per commute unit, community support, but again, you don't have to add a credit card or anything like that. I'm going to go over the annual because you can save 10% here. So the starter plan is $35 per month and pay as you go. This gives you 39 $99 to spend in the Amplify store on your own actors. The per compute unit is the same, chat support and Amplify store discount. And then they've got the scale plan, which is $179 per month plus pay as you go. And again, this is all billed annually. So this is $199 to spend in your Amplify store. The per compute unit goes down to 30 cents and you get priority chat support instead of regular chat support. You also get a silver Amplify store discount. Lastly is the business plan, and this is $899 per month and pay as you go. This is just under $1,000 to spend in the Amplify store. The per compute unit goes down to 25 cents and you also get an account manager and gold Amplify store discount. So again, start off with the free plan if you want to check it out, and then you can go from there. Which platform should you choose? The bottom line is, if you're looking for a simple, efficient automation tool to help with lead generation, social tracking, or repetitive research, and you don't want to write code, PhantomBuster is definitely the better fit. But if you need to scrape complex websites, build fully customizable automations, or integrate directly into a large system, and you or your team is comfortable with coding, Amplify gives you the flexibility to scale and do that. They're both powerful, but they just solve two very different problems. One of the smartest things you can do as a founder is to stop solving every problem manually. Tools like PhantomBuster and Amplify give you leverage, whether that's saving time, gathering better data, or removing bottlenecks from your growth process. If you want to try out the tool, make sure you use the link in the description below. This channel is dedicated to helping early stage founders and solopreneurs grow with better tools, smarter workflows, and less guesswork. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.